Top 5 apps like Ticketmaster.com reviews that actually work today. Ticketmaster.com is the go-to for event tickets, but most people get this wrong by ignoring alternative verified platforms. The surprising truth is there are apps offering secure ticket purchases, verified seller ratings, and event alerts. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, StubHub offers verified resale tickets with secure transactions. Users love reliable delivery and clear seating info. Second, SayGeek provides aggregated ticket listings with verified sellers. Customers highlight price comparisons and easy navigation. Third, Vivid Seats features verified ticket purchases and loyalty rewards. App users enjoy customer support and promotions. Fourth, Eventbrite offers ticketing for small and large events with verified options. Users appreciate simple purchase process and confirmations. Finally, Ticketfly provides concert and festival tickets with secure payments. Users report fast checkout and verified seating information. Pro tip: always check seller verification and event details before purchase. This ensures you avoid scams and enjoy your event safely. Using these 5 apps, you can secure tickets confidently and enjoy your favorite shows without worry.